probably in a hotel room and you need to do your laundry and you don't have anything to do your laundry with, and you might have one of these for ironing. But the thing is that you can take it upside down, turn it upside down like this, and you can attach a string like this on the feet. So like this, you'll be able to hang your clothes. So you need to have a line. You could also use a belt or something else. I like to do my knots like this. Okay. If you don't want your system to collapse, you can also tie it down to the base. That will keep the structure rigid. There you go. The free line, which is plenty for me. Because just for myself. Now make sure that it balance. We keep it nice and rigid. Maybe I can attach it to this instead, a bit stronger. If you want a trick, you can also twist like this. You can use this as a tensioner. Or you can make like a little knot. Like that. And so you can tie back in. And you can add tension on it. And then just at the end, like this, make it easy to pull out as well. There you go. So on this now you can easily dry your clothes. And make sure that you put it close to a place where you have as much airflow as possible. Sorry for the mess. You get the idea.